first grade. Today I'm going to review some of the math strategies that we used when solving word problems. We have learned to use our fingers or our magic counting sticks to add and subtract. We learned to draw simple math drawings where you draw one circle for every to represent each number. If you're adding, you count your circles. If you're subtracting, you need to cross your circles out. We learned to use a 10 frame to organize our information. We learned to use a number path. So if I have 5 plus 1, I would circle the 5 and then just hop forward 1. Or maybe it's 5 take away 1. So I would circle the 5 and hop backwards 1 place. There's also a number line, which is very similar to the number path, but it's just a little bit easier to make your numbers go higher. There's a number bond. You have the whole number and then the parts. Sometimes you have to find a missing part and sometimes you have to find the missing whole number. We learn to make 10 to add and subtract, where you break numbers apart to tens because 10 is a friendly number. We've talked about fact families or related facts. So if I have 3 take away 1, and I know that 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3, then I know that 3 take away 1 would be 2 because the numbers are all part of the same fact family. We've learned to put the big number in our head and then count out loud to count on. So 3 plus 2, she thinks of the number 3, but then she counts out loud 4, 5. We've learned to put the big number in our head and count backwards. So he thinks of the number 3 and then out loud counts backwards 2 numbers. So these are some of the strategies we've used. You are going to head over to Padlet and you're going to share which strategy you prefer to use and why, and which strategy is a little bit of a challenge for you. Have a good day.